A cluttered home can make every day feel harder than it needs to be. The good news is that getting organized does not require expensive products or a full weekend. In this video, I will share 12 real, simple hacks that actually work. Let us turn that chaos into calm. Install a simple spring tension rod across the inside of the cabinet under your sink. Hang your spree bottles by their trigger handles right over the rod. This lifts them off the cabinet floor and frees up space for sponges and supplies below. It costs just a few dollars and takes about a minute to set up. Instead of stacking clothes in tall piles, fold them into rectangles and stand them upright like files in a drawer. This way, you can see every single item at a glance without digging. Nothing gets lost or wrinkled at the bottom of a stack. It works great for shirts, towels, and even jeans. Clip a few binder clips onto the edge of your desk or nightstand. Thread your charging cables through the metal loops so they never slide off the back again. Each cord stays right where you need it and stays untangled. It is a tiny fix that saves you from chasing fallen cables every day. An over-the-door shoe organizer is not just for shoes. Hang one on a pantry, closet, or cleaning cupboard door to hold all kinds of small items. Use the clear pockets for snacks, cleaning bottles, craft supplies, or toiletries. You turn unused door space into instant storage you can see through. Mount a magnetic strip on the wall to hold metal items in plain sight. In the kitchen, it keeps spice tins or knives off the counter and easy to grab. In the garage or workshop, it holds screwdrivers, pliers, and scissors. Everything stays visible, reachable, and off your limited counter space. Swap solid baskets and bags for clear plastic bins wherever you can. When you can see exactly what is inside, you stop buying duplicates of things you already have. Group similar items together, like baking goods or snacks, in their own bin. This makes cleanup faster because everything has an obvious home. Place a Lazy Susan turntable in a deep cabinet, corner shelf, or the fridge. Instead of knocking over bottles to reach the back, you simply give it a spin. Nothing gets forgotten or expires in a dark corner anymore. It is perfect for oils, sauces, condiments, and spices. Slide a set of shower curtain rings onto a closet rod or hanger. Loop scarves, belts, ties, or tank top straps through each ring. They hang neatly side by side and are easy to pull off one at a time. This keeps soft accessories from sliding into a messy pile. Stick a few adhesive hooks on the inside of cabinet and closet doors. Use them to hang measuring cups, pot lids, cleaning brushes, or keys. This uses vertical space that normally sits completely empty. Because they are removable, you can reposition them without damaging the surface. Add a clear label to every bin, jar, and basket in your home. Labels tell everyone in the house exactly where things belong, so they actually get put back. This single habit keeps your organized spaces organized over time. You can use a label maker, masking tape, or simple printed tags. Break up wide, messy drawers with dividers so small items stop sliding around. Adjustable dividers work for office, kitchen, and bathroom drawers alike. For tiny things like screws, buttons, or earrings, a clean egg carton makes a free divider. Now every little item has its own tidy spot. A simple magazine file holder can organize far more than magazines. Stand one up in a cabinet to store cutting boards, baking sheets, and pan lids on their edges. This stops them from sliding into one heavy, hard-to-lift stack. You can grab just the one you need without unloading the rest. Follow one easy rule to keep clutter from creeping back. Every time you bring a new item into your home, let one similar item go. Buy a new shirt, donate an old one, and your space stays balanced. This keeps your hard organizing work from slowly undoing itself. And there you have it, 12 simple hacks to make your home feel calmer and work better. Pick just one or two to try this week and build from there. If these tips helped you, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy ideas. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!